Embark on an enchanting journey with Hair Luminance and uncover the secrets to healthier, more resilient hair. Within the pages of this magical tome, you'll find an abundance of easy-to-follow recipes and holistic remedies that promise to rejuvenate your locks from the inside out. Feel a sense of wonder and excitement as you immerse yourself in this world of natural beauty. With Hair Luminance as your trusted companion, embrace the joy of experimentation and self-discovery. Feel empowered as you explore new ingredients and techniques, knowing that each discovery brings you closer to the vibrant, beautiful hair you've always dreamed of. Let the gentle guidance of Hair Luminance lead you on a transformative journey towards hair enlightenment. With each chapter you explore, feel a renewed sense of connection to your hair and to the natural world around you. Trust in the wisdom of Hair Luminance to illuminate your path to hair perfection. Embrace the journey with an open heart and an open mind, knowing that Hair Luminance holds the key to unlocking your hair's true potential. With patience and perseverance, watch as your hair blossoms into a radiant expression of your inner beauty. Let Hair Luminance be your trusted ally on this magical journey towards healthier, happier hair.